case of an emergency, simply carry this rapid descent escape backpack, specially designed for high-rise fires. To use it, simply put the backpack on your back, fasten the straps, insert the end of the rope into the anchor fixed above the window, then desk end through the window. The backpack is equipped with an automatic decelerator, which slows down the descent under the force of gravity, avoiding discomfort caused by rapid descent. Moreover, the rope is made of standard fire-resistant rope, so it is also safe during the descent. The rope of the escape backpack is up to 160 meters long, and is also suitable for dangerous tasks, such as high-altitude work.